cross on an angle with the waves. Whoa. Woo. Woo. I'm just here at Elk Island National Park. Today I'm going to be kayaking Astotin Lake. Hey guys, up ahead we got Griesbach Island showing up. Straight ahead now you're looking at the chairs. If you need to use the bathroom, this is a great spot to get off. It's also a location of the red chairs if you want to go straight up and to the right. This is located off the Shoreline Trail. You can access this from the Astotin Lake parking lot. Hey guys, we got some shorebirds here up here on the side if you can see them. That island straight ahead of us that you can see on the screen there in front of my kayak up in the distance, that is Elk Island. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Hey guys, just sitting here resting along the shore of Elk Island. So peaceful and calm. Lots of birds flying around. One thing to remember though when kayaking is if you come into any boat inspection areas, make sure to stop because there's a huge fine if you don't stop. And always make sure to have the plug pulled on your kayak as well. And have your kayak drained. Is just to stop the spread of like blue algae and stuff to different bodies of water. And cross on an angle with the waves. Whoa. Woo. Woo. Hey guys, just back cruising along the shore of Astotin Lake. Hey guys, just had to drain my kayak here. You can see here that the wind has definitely picked up. So I'll be keeping it by the shore for the rest of the trip. Well guys, we got the kayak drained. Gonna make our return trip now. Hey guys, had to take a little break there. Supposed to calm down, some got a little crazy, so better play it safe than sorry. Hey guys, almost back at the parking lot now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And be sure to share it to your social media so all your friends can see it as well. Got a lot of journeys planned coming up. And if you're looking for another video to watch, check out the two I have posted above here. Thank you so much for viewing.